How's it going? DC, America, the Republic, folks. I have a very quick story. Spent 11 years at Fox News. I went the last 3 years. I was with another media company, and this is all about anti-censorship, right? So, very quick story. I was called by Senator Mike Lee from Utah, the great Senator Mike Lee from Utah, who is a freedom fighter. And he said, Bolling, I want to come on the show, and I want to talk about stop funding the Ukraine war. We don't want to send any more money there. True story. I brought him on. We did 9 minutes. 9 minutes. The company that I was working for, the TV network, cut 7 of those minutes out because they were in favor of funding the Ukraine war. 2 months later, they offered me another contract for 3 years, very lucrative contract for 3 more years. I turned it down. Tomorrow, I launch a digital show, Bolling, on podcast and YouTube and everywhere you get it, digital content. Please subscribe.